Okay, let's go over Chapter 8, Section 2, which is surface areas of prisms. And the essential question is, how can you find the area of the entire surface of a prism? Some vocabulary is surface area, which is the sum, which means adding, of all areas of all its faces. And a net is a two-dimensional representation of a solid. Okay, so for example, here's a net of a rectangular prism. So on the left, we see here's our rectangular prism. So this is what we were working with in the previous section. We were counting the faces and the vertices and the edges. Well, now we're going to find the surface area of this whole rectangular prism. So what we use to really visualize that is what's called this net. Okay, so if we took this rectangular prism and we smashed it like a box, right? Think of like a cereal box or just a box that you might get in the mail. If you smashed it, then you would come up with this net. So then you can see each individual side. So I've labeled the front is over here. We have the sides, the top and the bottom, and then the back. Okay, so I'm making sure that each side is accounted for. And then when we look at a rectangular prism, we think of the length, which is this cursive L, the width, and the height. So I also label that on my net too. We have the width, here's the length, and then the height as well. Okay, so check out example 1 to find the surface area of a rectangular prism.